Verses 1 to 3. Jesus tells the crowd and his disciples to respect the authority of the Pharisees. They sit in Moses' seat, but not to follow their actions because they don't practice what they preach. Explanation: Jesus acknowledges the religious role of the Pharisees but criticizes their lack of integrity. They teach the law but fail to live it out. Verses 4 to 7. The Pharisees burden others with heavy religious rules but won't help them. They do everything to be seen by others. Explanation: their religion is performative. They want praise and admiration, not to serve God sincerely. Verses 8 to 12. Jesus tells his followers not to seek titles or authority for personal glory. The greatest among them should be a servant. Explanation: true greatness in God's kingdom comes through humility and service, not status. Verse 13. Woe to you! You shut the door of the kingdom of heaven in people's faces. Explanation: their legalism and pride actually keep others from knowing God. Verse 14. Woe, you devour widows' houses and make long prayers for show. Explanation: religious leaders exploit the vulnerable while pretending to be holy. Verse 15. Woe, you travel to convert someone and then make them worse than yourselves. Explanation: their influence leads others further from God, not closer. Verses 16 to 22. Woe, blind guides who say an oath by the temple means nothing. Explanation: they twist spiritual truth, focusing on technicalities rather than the heart of the law. Verses 23 to 24. Woe, you tithe mint and herbs but neglect justice, mercy, and faithfulness. Explanation: they obsess over minor details while ignoring the core values of God's law. Verses 25 to 26. Woe, you clean the outside of the cup but inside are full of greed. Explanation: they look good outwardly but are corrupt inside. Verses 27 to 28. Woe, you are like whitewashed tombs, beautiful outside but full of death. Explanation: a powerful image of hypocrisy, externally impressive but inwardly decaying. Verses 29 to 36. Woe, you build tombs for the prophets but are children of those who killed them. Explanation: they pretend to honor past prophets but are part of the same spirit that rejected and murdered them. Verses 37 to 39. Jesus mourns for Jerusalem, saying he longed to gather its people like a hen with her chicks, but they refused. Their house, the temple, will be left desolate. Explanation: this is Jesus' sorrowful conclusion. Despite his love, the people and their leaders rejected him, and judgment is coming. Yet he ends with hope. They will see him again one day when they say, "Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord." Uses of Matthew 23. Matthew 23 is a powerful chapter used to highlight the dangers of religious hypocrisy and the importance of integrity and faith. It serves as a warning against focusing on outward appearances while neglecting inner transformation, justice, mercy, and faithfulness. Jesus' words call for humble, servant-hearted leadership and offer a deep reflection on authentic spiritual living. It also shows his sorrow over rejection, reminding believers of his compassion and desire for people to turn back to God. This chapter is often used for self-examination, teaching on true discipleship and understanding the heart of Christ.